How to turn off vibrations in Marvel Future Fight. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can easily turn off the vibration settings in Marvel Future Fight game. First of all, launch open Marvel Future Fight on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account, and once into the main lobby screen, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you need to click on options on the top left. Under options, scroll all the way down and look for this vibration button. In order to turn off vibration during gameplay, tap on the off button right next to vibration and select off. This will disable all in-game vibrations including attacks, skills, and notifications. Turning off vibration does not affect sound effects or music. If you still feel vibrations, then check your device's system vibration setting. Disabling vibration in the game can also save battery life, so that is how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.